A Tesla car is not built like a traditional vehicle. From the moment raw materials enter a Tesla factory to the instant a finished car drives out under its own power, the entire process is designed around speed, precision, automation, and advanced technology. Tesla factories, often called Gigafactories, are among the most modern manufacturing facilities in the world. These factories are built to produce electric vehicles at massive scale while maintaining high quality and efficiency. The process begins long before a single part is assembled. Engineers first design every component digitally using advanced computer simulations. Each part of the car, from the smallest bolt to the massive battery pack, is tested virtually to ensure strength, safety, and efficiency. Once the design is finalized, the factory prepares the tooling, robots, and production lines needed to bring the digital design into physical form. Raw materials arrive at the factory daily. Aluminum, steel, copper, plastics, glass, lithium, nickel, and other battery materials are delivered in bulk. Tesla relies heavily on aluminum because it is lightweight yet strong, helping improve vehicle range and performance. These materials are inspected for quality before entering production. Any material that does not meet Tesla's strict standards is rejected immediately. The car's body begins its life in the stamping section of the factory. Large rolls or sheets of aluminum are fed into massive stamping machines that press them into precise shapes using enormous force. These machines can form doors, roofs, side panels, and structural components in seconds. The stamped parts are carefully measured by automated scanners to ensure they match exact specifications. Even a tiny deviation can affect safety or aerodynamics, so precision is critical. One of Tesla's biggest innovations in manufacturing is its use of large casting machines, often referred to as gigapresses. Instead of assembling dozens or even hundreds of smaller metal parts, Tesla uses these machines to cast large sections of the vehicle's frame in a single piece. Molten aluminum is injected into giant molds, forming major parts of the car's structure almost instantly. This reduces weight, improves strength, lowers production time, and minimizes the number of parts needed. Once the body parts are ready, they move to the body assembly area. Here, hundreds of robotic arms work together in perfect synchronization. These robots weld, rivet, and bond the parts together to form the car's skeleton, known as the body in white. The process is mostly automated, ensuring consistent quality and extremely high precision. Sparks fly as robots perform thousands of welds in a matter of minutes. Human workers supervise the process, handle complex tasks, and ensure everything runs smoothly. After the body structure is complete, it undergoes a detailed inspection. Laser scanners check alignment, dimensions, and structural integrity. Any imperfection is corrected immediately. Once approved, the body moves to the paint shop, one of the most controlled environments in the factory. Dust, humidity, and temperature are tightly regulated because even the smallest particle can ruin a paint finish. Before painting, the body is thoroughly cleaned and dipped in a special anti-corrosion solution. This coating protects the metal from rust and increases durability. The body is then dried and prepared for paint. Tesla uses automated paint robots that apply multiple layers, including primer, base color, and clear coat. Each layer is applied with extreme precision to ensure a smooth, glossy finish. The painted body then passes through curing ovens where heat hardens the paint and gives it long-lasting durability. While the body is being painted, another major part of the Tesla is being prepared in parallel, the battery pack. The battery is the heart of a Tesla vehicle. Inside dedicated battery production areas, individual battery cells are manufactured or assembled. These cells are carefully tested for capacity, voltage, and safety. Only cells that meet strict performance standards are used. The battery cells are arranged into modules, and the modules are assembled into a complete battery pack. Advanced cooling systems are integrated to keep the battery at an optimal temperature during driving and charging. The battery pack is sealed, reinforced, and tested for electrical safety. Tesla performs extensive checks to ensure the battery can withstand impacts, vibrations, and extreme temperatures. At the same time, electric motors are being built. Tesla designs and manufactures its own motors to maximize efficiency and performance. Copper wire is wound into stators with extreme precision. Rotors, shafts, and housings are assembled and balanced to ensure smooth operation at high speeds. Each motor is tested individually before being approved for installation. Once the painted body returns from the paint shop, it enters the general assembly line. This is where the car truly begins to look complete. Wiring harnesses are installed first, forming the nervous system of the vehicle. These wires connect the battery, motors, computers, sensors, lights, and infotainment system. Every connection is tested to ensure reliable communication between components. The dashboard, seats, carpets, and interior panels are then installed. Tesla interiors are designed to be minimalist but technologically advanced. Large touchscreen displays are carefully mounted and connected. The steering wheel, pedals, and controls are installed and calibrated. Seats are positioned and bolted in place using precise torque tools to ensure safety. One of the most dramatic moments in Tesla production is known as the marriage. This is when the body of the car is joined with the drivetrain and battery pack. The battery pack and motor assembly are lifted from below while the body is lowered from above. In a matter of seconds, the two come together and are bolted into place with extreme accuracy. Once this happens, the car becomes a complete electric vehicle capable of moving under its own power. After the marriage, wheels and tires are installed. Tesla uses specially designed tires optimized for low rolling resistance and quiet operation. The suspension system is checked and adjusted to ensure proper alignment and ride comfort. Brakes are installed and tested to meet strict safety standards. The car then goes through software installation. Tesla vehicles are essentially computers on wheels, containing millions of lines of code. The operating system, driving controls, battery management software, and infotainment features are uploaded. Sensors, cameras, and radar systems are calibrated. Autopilot and safety features are tested using specialized equipment. Next comes a series of rigorous quality checks. The car is inspected visually for any defects in paint or assembly. Doors, windows, and trunk openings are tested for proper sealing. The vehicle goes through water tests to ensure it is completely weatherproof. Electrical systems are checked again, and diagnostic tests confirm that all components are working correctly. Tesla also performs dynamic testing. Some vehicles are driven on test tracks inside or near the factory. Acceleration, braking, steering, and suspension are evaluated. Any unusual noise or vibration is investigated. If a problem is found, the car is sent back for correction before it can move forward. Before leaving the factory, the car receives final detailing. Protective films are applied to sensitive areas. The interior is cleaned, and the exterior is polished. The vehicle is charged, and final software updates are installed. A last inspection confirms that the car meets Tesla's standards and regulatory requirements. Once approved, the Tesla is ready for delivery. It is transported to distribution centers or directly to customers. Even after delivery, Tesla continues to monitor vehicle performance through software updates and data analysis, improving the car over time. In essence, a Tesla car is the result of a highly integrated manufacturing system where design, automation, and software work together seamlessly. The factory operates like a living organism, with every section connected and optimized for efficiency. By combining advanced robotics, innovative materials, and cutting-edge battery technology, Tesla has redefined how cars are built in the modern era. From raw aluminum and lithium to a silent, powerful electric vehicle, the journey of a Tesla through the factory is a remarkable example of human engineering and technological progress.